With Brave Pro you can create newsletter opt-ins and embed them anywhere in your post, page, or sidebar with shortcodes. To create an embeddable newsletter opt-in, go to All Campaigns page. And click the plus icon. Click the New Embedded Content button. Give your campaign a title. You can start with a blank template or select an existing lead capture form. Let's select an existing template and click the Create Content button. Open up the Form Fields editor and make sure you have a name and email field in your form. Then open up the Newsletter Settings tab and select your email marketing service and then the newsletter list. Finally, map the name and email fields to send the field values to your email marketing service. Now let's configure what the visitor will see when they are subscribed. Open the Submission Success Action tab. To display a simple text message, write down your content in the Custom Content field. Now let's make a mobile version of the campaign, since our content width is more than 400 pixels. Click the Mobile button to switch to mobile layout. Click the Create Custom Mobile Layout button. Click Import from Desktop Layout. Resize and reposition your elements. Publish the campaign. Now go back to the All Campaigns page and copy the shortcode of the campaign. Open your posts or page where you want to display the form. Insert a shortcode block. Paste in the copied shortcode. Now your visitors can sign up for your newsletter from inside the post. You can also automatically embed the opt-in form on selected posts or pages from the Auto Embed section. This feature also lets you set where exactly in your post you want to display the form. To display a newsletter opt-in form in your sidebar, make sure your campaign width is not more than 300 pixels. Copy the campaign shortcode. Then go to your widgets page. Add an HTML widget in your sidebar. Finally, paste in your copied shortcode and save the widget.